And usually with CC Rider, they usually package these pretty well. They include a bag with it and everything. So we'll see if they did. And you know, the strap and stuff like that. Well, there's the strap. I'm not a fan of the strap myself, but they include it for those that are fans. Looks to be a 2-piece seat. We have one section here in the bag. See, these bags are awesome. I think it's a great way to ship them. So let's get this out of the way. Open this puppy up. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. This has the diamond stitch in the seat. This is really a nice seat. So we'll let's see what the passenger pillion looks like. Again, packaged really well. I would expect nothing less from CC Rider. And here's your passenger pillion. Yeah, this has the bracket that you screw on, the whole 9 yards. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this assembled, and then we'll get it put onto the bike and let you guys see what it looks like. So one thing I noticed in assembling this that I just wanted to bring to your attention, a lot of times when you put the little metal bracket on the back that sits on the bike, those can scratch. This entire bracket is coated in rubber. So when this comes in contact with the bike, it's not gonna scratch anything. That's kind of really, I like little touches like that. That's nice. So let me get this on the bike. All right, so we got the seat mounted, and I took the tour pack off so that you guys could actually see the seat and not have the tour pack be in the way. So let me turn this around. I think it's beautiful. I mean, it's just a great looking seat, very cushy. And again, I've had nothing but great success with these CC Rider seats. And this came with the nuts that you'll need to attach the rider seat to the bike. It does come with those nuts. But what a great looking seat. I mean, hard to beat it for the price. I believe, I'll put the information down below, but this seat's less than $300. And it's gorgeous. I mean, I can't wait to get out and ride this thing. I'm gonna head to work here in a little bit, but great looking seat. I mean, it's beautiful. So thank you very much, CC Rider. Installation was a piece of cake. I like the way that they designed this now. Like I showed you guys, they put the rubber coating over the bracket that hits the fender. Also, when you slide the passenger pillion on now, it's got a little, instead of going straight on, you put it on an angle and it snaps in. Much more secure this way. I think that's a great design. For the money, you're not gonna find a better seat. These things are very comfortable. They look great. And there are other styles to choose from. Obviously, there'll be a link in the description to these seats. But congratulations, CC Rider, on a great product, man. You guys did good. This thing is beautiful. I can't wait to get out and ride it. So thank you. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I'll see you in the next one.